Hey, what's up guys? Mobile mechanic, wrench on wheels. We have a client right here.
I guess I'm staying for a little bit.
El cliente aquí, lo vamos a hacer el cambio freno de delante y el cambio freno de atrás. We'll do the front and back brake pads. Let's get to it. Let's see, before we start, always make sure you have a good level ground to work on, because the last thing you want to do is lift up the car, take out the wheels, and have the car fall on you. Should be good. Should be able to work here. For now, we're gonna start. To take out the bolts out of the tire, you need 22 millimeters. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have that set up. Let's put on the jack. Normally you leave the car, make sure your level servers. We go lift up the car through the frame. So we set up the frame right here. Set it up here. Give it some space so we can put the el burrito. Set it up right there in the frame, right in the middle. Make sure, yep. Make sure it's tight. Big ass tire. It's a big ass tire, bro.
Yeah, that's a chunky boy.
Set there just in case it gives out.
How's your first time using all these new ones?
Yeah, I just got these. Bro, they surprised it comes out like butter.
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 Bro, the little buddies, bro.
Yeah. You gotta be organized, bro. Organized. Now we take this fat ass tire, goddamn. It's a big ass tire, bro.
Right?
I guess because you have it in low PSI, so they don't look that big.
That's a chunky boy. Oh, just in case. Wow, frick.
Yeah. Now these brake pads, we don't have to take out the calipers. We just have to remove this right here. We just remove the spring and these pins, and this should come out. This should come out, bro.
Wow.
Now see, we gotta take this pin out. Use some other pins. Pull these out. Put them somewhere you're gonna lose them. You're gonna have to use them again. And then you can pull this out, pull it up, put this one down, and then we can push these pins out. And then we gotta push the pistons back. Push and push these back into position without damaging anything. Oh, that's what you do. There we go. Get in there. Our cylinder. Make sure it's flat. The same thing with this one. Check the rotors are good. Compare the old ones and the new ones. See, you want to grab the same one. You see this has this 2 peak here. This one has in the bottom. Make sure you grab the one way. The same orientation. This is the one. See? God damn. The difference. Before we put the new ones on, let's go ahead and clean this a bit. Let's clean it. Get that old junk. It's gonna be nice and clean. They're all clean. I put the new ones in, orientated them correctly. Coño, me toca esto. There we go.
When you move the pad right there, the other side. Oh, there we go. Wow.
Yeah, that's where you gotta do one. Now we got the pins here. Let's clean out the pins. Clean out all that breast dust off of them. Put them back how they are. Orientated, you want the in, get the pin orientated. So what you have there, so you can put it this sucker back in. And put them in this hole right here. Bang. Up, it's locked. Second pin.
Yeah, the brake pads were thinning out though, bro.
Yeah.
You're almost there. Look at this shit.
Now the brake sensor, you want to push in and up. All right, the brakes are in, the pins are in. Replace this sensor with a new one. Now you gotta finagle the brakes here. They have a groove. You want to put the tip of the sensor into this groove like this. We gotta find it. Once you find the groove, you push and you should hear it click, and that's how you know the sensor is on. Now to put back the guard, to put this back, this goes like this. Put this back. You wanna clamp these in here. Put this here. These clamp up in here. Yeah. Pull this up and over. And that's it. These are good to go. Now what we could do is prime it. The brand new brakes are installed. Now we're gonna use this contraption here. There's a one-way valve, so we can take the air out if there's any, to make sure the brake pedal feels nice and firm when it hits the brakes. There's a little cover here. Take it out and save it. Yeah. We'll go ahead and place this one in here. And then we're gonna find the wrench to open that. And then we're gonna hit the brake pads a couple of times. And I'm putting the tire back on. Woo! And when you put the tire on, tighten it up in a star pattern. And each bolt should have 150 pounds. I'm gonna recheck them once the tire is on the floor, because you don't want to tighten down the tire when it's in the air, because you have a chance of a car falling on top of you. So you just gotta present them there and then finish tightening them up once the car's on the ground. Little start pad. And I'll retighten them again once they're on the floor with 150 pounds. Remember, we gotta tighten them in a start pattern. I have it set this to 150 pounds. It should click once we're there. Boom, 150. That one's good. Beautiful. One side down.